Alright, Bessie, if you know this is your favorite snack, chaps, I hope you already took your vitamins, okay? Let's start off with Cumin chopped mincemeat, the best in town because it has the right proportions. And then we're going to go in with our white bread, soak it in water, put it aside. Now onto seasoning the meat. I'm going to go in with finely chopped coriander. I'm going to grate an onion and garlic in, season with spices and beef cubes, add an egg, salt, and you're done. I'm going to leave the details of the seasonings in the caption. Please make sure to read, squeeze the water out of the bread and add it into the bowl. Mix and add flour to bind everything together. Knead this mixture until you have this gluey texture in your meat, and then transfer this onto a working surface, dusted so that it does not stick. Then using your hands, eyes, and the voices of your ancestors, start creating small balls that are not too big and not too small, so that you have the perfect chap. Dust the surface so that it does not stick while you roll it out and get the perfect circular chaps. I know by the time you attempt this, you already love them, so you know what you're looking for, okay? You can make even maps of Africa. No one will beat you up, okay? Beat about 5 eggs in a flat bowl so that it's easy for you to dip and remove your chaps using your hands. So you can't use a small bowl. You need a wide bowl. Fry them, and once they are cooked about 3 to 5 minutes and they are firm, return, double dip in the eggs and fry again. You can repeat this as many times as you please, but I do too. And I know they are ready when they puff up, so just poke out the air and enjoy.